Hi, in today's video, we're talking about browsers. Which is better, Brave browser or Arc browser? So, of course, to identify which one is better, we will need to set up some points and let's see which one is better at each of those points. Let's start as an example by privacy and security. So, as an example, I'm using, of course, here Brave, and this is normally the browser I use most because I prefer the benefits of it over Arc, especially on privacy and security. For Brave as example, you have a strong focus on privacy. There are some built-in ad tracker blocker. So if you go as an example to a YouTube video, let's say an example, I'm going to youtube.com in here and I'm opening whatever video I want. So as an example, I don't know, I'm just going to open this video. As you can see, I find this video without any ads. If you open a video with any other browser, you'll find ads right away in front of you. There are, of course, a lot of other stuff that you can use, like Brave Search. As an example, I changed that to Google, but of course, per default, you'll find Brave Search per default in Brave. Also, there are some built VPN tools, but for Arc, as an example, the privacy respecting, but not as aggressive as Brave. And there's no built-in VPN or Tor, as an example. Of course, it also relies on Chromium base for security, but doesn't focus on privacy as a core selling point. Brave, on the other hand, blocks fingerprinting, cookies, and more defaults. So, in this point, Brave is the clear winner. For the interface example, I would admit that Arc is much better. If you go, as example, look for Arc browser, and probably and for many users, Arc browser is much better on the interface experience. It's highly innovative experience, sidebars based navigation, split views, spaces, and pinning for organization. It's just much better. For Brave, it's just a traditional browser, UI like Chrome, clean and familiar, and offer features like vertical tabs, but nothing radical. So, in this specific point, the winner is Arc. For performance and speed as an example, both Chromium based, so core performance is similar. Brave may be a little bit faster in practice due to aggressive ad tracker and blocking, like fewer resources loaded, or can feel slower or lower end mechanics due to its heavier UI. So, slight edge on Brave on the performance and speed. For the features, of course, I guess it's the same for me because Brave has some built-in crypto wallets and best rewards, privacy like first search and browser support, Chrome extensions. For Arc, it's built for productivity, which is spaces, easels, nodes, innovative tab management, frequent updates and external features. So the winner, it depends on if you want. Of course, you can choose Brave for privacy and crypto or choose Arc for productivity and UX. For the mobile support, of course, if you're not using a PC, Brave has mature mobile browser with full sync, but Arc is limited mobile presence as of now, early access or no sync. So the Brave is the winner here. So this is a comparison between Brave and Arc. And of course, I will let you decide which one is better depending on your use. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.